We're all in the, what is this, the subway? Posted, chilling. You know what I'm saying? Just stopped. We got doors wide open. Go ahead. You feel me? Yeah. That would be too green. Risk taker. See if you can walk to that door.
She has to warn me before we start.
Does she? Oh, it's a magic trick. It's a magic trick right there. That was a Houdini. I see you. You disappeared.
No.
Peon. I'm on here. Core.
I'm gonna be very gentle now when I turn my head.
Very gentle.
Yeah, be serious though. Okay, what do I do?
Don't fucking be serious. That's what you do.
There.
I can't take it.
No, like, don't put your head down. Just
Go.
no.
Okay, don't do that? Okay. What's serious face? Give me an example.
Nah, like, that's it. Like, what's up?
No, too much eye.
Too much.
Okay, no. No, I didn't. My eyebrows just.
You just get excited when you do that.
Okay, hold on.
No, she totally just turned it off.
I think I'm going cross-eyed. I'm focusing. Okay.
This is real life.
That's the place.
Okay.
Slow.
My eyes are moving. Aren't they? Oh my god, they're starting to hurt.
It's horrible. This is what we do. Subway games. Someone call this.
You got the camera to vote.
No, we over here chilling.
I got
NYC,
you
you know what I'm saying? On the subway. Nothing's going on exciting.
Corey, stop.
Definitely,
Be cool, Corey. Lean a little bit. Lean a little bit. Corey. Be serious. Lean a little bit. Relax. No, like, get closer to him. Get closer.
All that.
No, just like lean back a little bit.
It's a little colder than this. You know what I'm saying? In Florida. Probably got like 50.
Move your hands. Just throw your hands like.
We are now watching the train. Don't let me get
We got
Right there.
New Yorkers. This announcement that's bullshit. I've been sitting on here for like 15 minutes chilling on it. Because the dispatcher said we can't make a move. Even though I'm really trying to take the 7 to the G so I can make it to Brooklyn. But it's cool. We ain't here.
Yo, I don't know what the fuck was worth of taking the 4 local.
Oh, are you on me? Hi.
She's boring.
Stop waving like that.
I hear
My dad waves like this.
Nikki.
Oh, you throws it all the way
I call it. It's the shot put wave. Like, we would see neighbors in the neighborhood. We'd be driving here, just go.
Throw it out there.
Yeah, like super serious. Just hello, neighbor.
That is pretty serious.
No,
No, we never talked about our neighbors. That's still going.
my dad used to chase our neighbors when they were at stop signs with a stick down the street.
When they ran stop signs.
Yeah.
Pretty serious. Were you younger?
No, I mean, this was kind of 16, and he would chase my friends when they were at stop sign down the street with a stick. Yeah.
While they were in the car.
Yeah.
He would run behind them and scream.
Yeah.
I probably would have hit the brake to let him catch up and then scurried on the car.
Daryl, you can do karaoke right here? Go live.
Looking at your body, baby. Lusting is a sin, God forgive me. Standing at the bar with your little black dress on.
Oh, I didn't know I was getting the show we had.
I can tell you want it like I want you. Come over to my section, let me greet you. 3 shots back, blame it on your strong. Public affection, I'm ready to be back. Girl, kiss me, I dare you, girl, I kiss you right back. Don't care about who sees us, baby girl, we're grown. We can do it in the club and bar, girl, let's get it on. Spontaneous love, about to get it on. Spontaneous love, baby girl, come on. Spontaneous love, about to get it on. We can do it in the club and bar, girl, let's get it on. Oh, wow.
Nikki's not having it.
See me on the right? Can I smile like this?
Make it official though. Daryl, make it official. Music video official. Yeah, make it special.
I can't look at you.
Corey, be serious though, Corey.
I can't be serious.
Don't smile.
What song am I singing?
He doesn't smile.
Why don't you put your jacket up over your face then?
Okay.
Because
That's better.
Now you have no idea what I'm doing.
You can see it in the eyes. Oh god. Oh yeah, I never been on.
There, you got this. You're a professional.
Oh, I'm on the freaky
I'm gonna make this
train.
first.
Let's go push the
Look past her. Look at Dee Dee. Nikki can handle this. Corey, move it out of the way.
And that's the thing. My
I'm gonna stand my left.
Corey, you gotta sit because I can't see Nikki.
What song are we singing? What song are we singing?
What's happening?
What song are we singing?
Get a little bit close. Whatever song. I don't know. Let's sing. What song do you want?
Whatever. Surprise me.
Listen.
What? Cause what? You mean artist?
Usher.
I was gonna say that.
Oh, good. We still got this.
I got gelato in my pants.
As soon as I have any more information, you will be notified.
Wait, really quick. Time out.
She said what?
Now she decides to get off the train. Like, we've been here this whole time, and now she decides to get off the train.